So we begin with new developments in the lawsuit by Vanessa Bryant against LA County over photos taken at the site of her husband's deadly helicopter crash.
Today, a judge delivering Bryant another legal victory. Eyewitness News reporter Jory Rand is live with details. Jory?
Ellen, David, last week a judge ruled that the LA County Sheriff and Chief of the Fire Department can be deposed in that lawsuit. Now comes a new ruling in a request the county made that had Vanessa Bryant's attorneys claiming the county had gone too far.
In a new finding, U.S. Magistrate Judge Charles Ike has found that Vanessa Bryant will not have to undergo a psychiatric evaluation as part of her lawsuit against LA County. Bryant's suit alleges members of the LA County Sheriff's and fire departments took and shared photos of Kobe Bryant's body after his helicopter crashed last year, killing the NBA Hall of Famer, their daughter Gianna, and 7 others. Judge Ike saying the request for the evaluation was untimely. The county had been attempting to question Vanessa's mental state, defending their request in a supplemental brief, stating plaintiff's damages claims are premised entirely on their alleged severe and ongoing emotional distress, anxiety, and depression, precisely the type of allegations that warrant an independent medical examination. Plaintiffs try to paint the county's motion as a heartless attempt to force them into a hostile, re-traumatizing situation. This could not be further from the case. In an emotional deposition last month, attorney Skip Miller for the county asked Bryant, "Could you explain to me how you've suffered emotional distress from the person at the bar," referring to a sheriff's deputy, "showing the bartender something if you weren't there?" Earlier in the deposition, Bryant had explained, "Emotional distress means that not only do I have to grieve to the loss of my husband and child, but for the rest of my life, I'm going to have to fear that these photographs of my husband and child will be leaked." In the deposition, Bryant revealed she largely stays off of social media out of fear of what will be written in the comments. She did post to Instagram today a photo from Disneyland yesterday with her 3 daughters and former Laker Pau Gasol and his family. Today's court finding is the latest defeat for the county, who was trying to prevent the depositions of LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva and Fire Chief Daryl Osby. Judge Ike ruling last week that request was neither abusive nor harassing, and the 2 can be deposed.
Vanessa Bryant's trial is set for February. 2 other families of victims from the crash reached a tentative agreement with the county. They were suing them as well over photos of their loved ones' bodies at that crash. The County Board of Supervisors is set to take up that settlement tomorrow and whether they want to pay that much money.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.